Hey everyone, this is Andre's Restart. Today, we're diving into exciting new rumors about the Nintendo Switch 2. These stories point to a release window, a major presentation, and some intriguing features. Let's get into all the juicy details. Recent rumors recap. Recently, Nintenduo reported that 6 developer sources claim the Switch 2 will release in either June or July. Leaker Samus Hunter expanded this window from May to July. There's also talk of a big presentation focusing on Metroid Prime 4, linked to the Switch 2. Hard evidence? Universal Nintendo and Famiboards have uncovered that Foxconn reported a 223% revenue increase in November, likely linked to the mass assembly of the Switch 2. This means fully assembled Switch 2 units could already be at Nintendo. Implications of the rumors. If true, a first-half 2025 release for the Switch 2 seems likely. Historically, the original Switch's mass manufacturing started in October, and it launched in March. Seeing completed Switch 2 units now aligns with a May to July release window. Industry chatter. Nate the Hate supports this timeline, mentioning a late May to June release in his recent podcast. This aligns with Samus Hunter's information. Big presentation in May. Nate also hinted at a big presentation in May, potentially a launch event for the Switch 2. Samus Hunter suggested a similar presentation focused on Metroid Prime 4. This could be a cross-generation title like Breath of the Wild. Event timing and pre-order speculation. Is this May event like the January 2017 Switch presentation? If so, a July launch could be on the cards. Alternatively, it could be a hands-on event with the full reveal happening earlier. Pre-orders might open with the initial reveal. PX East timing? PX East, happening in early May, aligns with these rumors. It could feature playable Switch 2 games. Investors meeting? Nintendo's investors meeting on February 4, 2025, is expected to reveal more about the Switch 2. If a May-June release is planned, this timing mirrors the gap from reveal to launch we saw with the original Switch.